Every night across the country, millions of people turn a dial, spark a flame, and assume they are using the most effective way to cook their dinner. But when you cook with a standard gas burner, over 60% of the energy you pay for is entirely wasted. That heat never makes it into your food. Instead, it bleeds directly out into the surrounding environment, steadily raising the temperature of the room. You are actively burning fuel and running up your utility bill for flames that bypass your cookware. Practically speaking, your utility bill is subsidizing the temperature of the empty air in your kitchen rather than the meal in your pan. This massive drop in efficiency is caused by a thermodynamic flaw built into every gas stove, known as the three-loss problem. This diagram shows the first flaw, convective heat loss. Superheated exhaust gases rise and slip right past the pot. 40% of energy floats away. Second is radiative loss. Because an open flame radiates heat in a full sphere, only a tiny fraction hits your cookware. When you add these two to the third loss, the unburned gas that escapes through incomplete combustion, traditional stoves max out at roughly 40% efficiency. You are forced to use double the energy required to cook the same meal. To beat those physical laws of heat transfer, we have to eliminate the open flame altogether. Well, that brings us to the perfectly flat, completely unheated surface of a sleek, modern glass induction cooktop. If you turn an induction burner on and place your bare hand on the surface, you won't feel anything. Without a specific type of pan resting on it, the glass stays completely cool to the touch. That is because an induction stove does not rely on producing a heat source. Instead, it creates an alternating magnetic field. Instead of violently blasting the surrounding air with thermal energy, this technology targets the internal structure of the cookware itself. Beneath the glass, the system runs high-frequency alternating current through a hidden copper coil, generating a rapidly changing magnetic field that pushes upward. The moment those magnetic waves hit a heavy iron skillet, they induce electrical movement. This interaction creates swirling rings of electricity directly inside the metal, known as eddy currents. Because iron resists the flow of moving electrons, the friction from these internal currents generates intense heat entirely inside the pan itself. Electromagnetic resistance transforms the pan into the actual heat source, bypassing external heat transfer entirely and keeping the surrounding air perfectly clear. Returning to our original problem, this method solves convective loss because there are no superheated exhaust gases escaping up the sides. It also eliminates radiative loss. There is no exposed flame projecting thermal energy in every direction. This chart shows the resulting efficiency comparison. While gas taps out near 40%, induction successfully transfers up to 90% of its electrical input directly into your food. By capturing almost all of that energy instead of losing it to the air, you can boil water and cook your meals almost twice as fast. Utilizing electromagnetism drastically cuts household energy waste, leaving you with a cooler kitchen and significant money saved over the lifespan of the appliance.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.